Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can activate your Metro Bank credit card online. So, firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, you'll have to type Metro Bank credit card activate. After you press the enter key, you'll be able to view all these results. Here you'll have to click on the second option, the activate card link from the Metro Bank card website itself. Then you'll be led to the official website of Metro Bank card and on the card activation page. Here all you'll have to do is firstly enter your credit card number, then the card expiry date. You can simply click on this drop down menu to select the month and the year. Just below that you'll have to type the CAPTCHA that is shown on the box. After you enter the CAPTCHA, all you'll have to do is click on this proceed button and your card will be finally activated. So it is that easy to activate your Metro Bank credit card online. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.